Follow these steps to make it super easy for your followers to message you on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to add WhatsApp button on Instagram story. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram and tap on your profile picture at the top left to create a story. Next, select or capture a photo or video for your story. Then tap the sticker icon at the top. Now choose the link sticker and type wa.me/your WhatsApp phone number. After that, tap on the customize sticker text and type WhatsApp to make it clear. Finally, tap the done option and adjust the sticker position and share your story. And that's it. Now anyone can tap your story and chat with you instantly on your WhatsApp. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.